All right. Okay, we had some technical difficulties, and for those that have missed out, let me explain. So the last trade we were on was the 5 minute trade we took of Facebook Inc. OTC, which was a success. It went in. That was the last trade. And then the present trade I took while we were not live. The internet broke up. I think technicalities. This is it. We're taking it on Bitcoin ETF OTC. We took a buy here. Prediction by our AI trading board was a buy. Nothing have changed. We are still risking $20 just like every other trade. And we took this trade on 3 minutes. And then we have 58 seconds left on this trade. So we're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna play out. The trade is running already. You can take a look at our history. Nothing has changed, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna turn out to be, people. And waiting and seeing. So waiting and seeing and holding on to see how this is gonna turn out to be. AI powered trading board giving us the catches in market today. So we have 34 seconds left on the timer. Highly volatile, success probability said to be high for this trade. 27 seconds left, 26, and we are waiting, ladies and gentlemen. Seven seconds, 4 seconds, and holding on. Yes, we just secured the next win, people, ladies and gentlemen. It is good time. Polkadot OTC, that will be the next trade. Now that we've sorted our technical issue, let's go on and take advantage of what the market is, because today is a good day. We've been logging in wins back to back. Let's go ahead and ask our trading bot what the prediction is gonna be for the next trade, and it is gonna be on Polkadot OTC. Polkadot OTC, that's gonna be a cryptocurrency, or is it a stock? Let's confirm first. Yes, it's a cryptocurrency. Polkadot OTC. I'm taking it on 3 minutes, $20 on the line. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board what the prediction is gonna be for Polkadot OTC. And 3 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, it is gonna be another buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Waiting and seeing. 2 minutes 52 seconds left on the timer. Prediction is set to be volatility level strong, success probability set to be high. So holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna turn out to be. AI powered trading bot predicting our trades, and what is this gonna be? We are about to find out. As we can see, it is moving our opposite direction, and whether this is gonna be a win, we are about to find out, ladies and gentlemen. Holding on tight. 2 minutes 20 seconds left on the timer, and then we're gonna see how this is gonna turn out to be, ladies and gentlemen. 1 minute 15 seconds left on the timer, ladies and gentlemen. Polkadot OTC, that's the trade running right now. Volatility is said to be strong, success probability is said to be high. 1 minute and moving. Is this gonna be a win? We about to find out, ladies and gentlemen. 58 seconds left on the timer. The sellers are holding us down. We're gonna hope the buyers are gonna come up, dragging us up. But if this is not gonna be enough, we still have 45 seconds to find out, ladies and gentlemen. AI Power Trading will giving us our catches today. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you have questions, feel free to ask in the chat so that I can see them and answer them. If you want to get our trading bot for yourself, feel free to reach out to us on our Telegram channel, VIP channel. All our videos, the link is clipped there in the comment section. The link is there for you also in the comment section here in the chat section. So feel free to write us up there. You get access to that and you will be able to get this product for yourself. As we can see, the buyers have come in our direction and this is looking good, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna turn out to be. We are almost there. 6 seconds left on the timer, ladies and gentlemen. And 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is another win for us. We are cruising high in the market. AI Power Trading Board informed today almost at 80% accuracy level. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade. Should we take some? All right, let me go ahead and take my Visa OTC. I love Visa. Visa OTC. We're gonna take that trade on 3 minutes and we'll be risking $20, which is our 1% of our account balance. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board what the prediction is gonna be for our stock Visa OTC. Visa OTC 1 minute trade, no 3 minutes trade. The prediction is gonna be a sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Is this gonna be a win for us? We are about to find our sellers are coming in, dragging us back. The buyers are putting up a fight. Is this gonna be a win? We are about to find out, ladies and gentlemen. Waiting and seeing. It is looking good so far, so good. Prediction by our AI Power Trading Board is that this is gonna be highly volatile trade. Success probability is set to be high as well. So we're gonna wait and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Success probability for this trade is said to be high, and it is seeming that this is gonna be a win for us. So we're gonna wait and see. So far, so good. We've taken a good number of trade, I think, and we are on an 80% winning streak today. We got only 2 or 3 loss so far. So we're gonna wait and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. So 2 minutes left on the timer, ladies and gentlemen. We just hit the 2 minute mark. So we're gonna wait and see how this is gonna turn out to be. 1 minute 50 seconds mark. Is this gonna be our next win? We are about to find out, ladies and gentlemen. Holding on tight. The sellers are dragging us down. Buyers are almost giving up on this trade, and we hope this is gonna be a next win for us. Waiting and seeing. One minute left. 1 minute 2 seconds. We're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna play out. The buyers are coming in, sellers putting up a fight, and we're gonna wait and see. 51 seconds left on the timer. Yes, the sellers are dragging us down. This is looking good. Today has been a good day in the market, people, as you can see. Unlike yesterday, yesterday was quite an ugly day, but we're able to finish with a positive thanks to our AI trading board. Today it's looking like mostly an easy day because most of our trades are just running riot. This is an ideal day for our trading board. As I mentioned yesterday, it wasn't typical. I think it was almost as bad as 65% win rate, but today we are on an 80% streak for the past 50 minutes. So we're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna go, and it is almost a show that this is gonna be our next win for today. As we can see, we have 12 seconds, 11 seconds left on the timer. We are running riot on this sell, ladies and gentlemen. 5 seconds left, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and there we go. Yes, we just hit the $405 on top of our 20,000. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade. Let me go and take some currency pairs today. Should I take some currency pairs? I just don't like currency pairs. I don't know why, but I just don't like currency pairs. But let's go ahead and see what are we going to be hitting the market with. Let's see what is available for us. All right, currency pairs. I'm going to go ahead and hit the market with what is available. Okay, I need something with higher payout percentage. All right, GBP, JPY, OTC market. That is looking good for me. All right, let's see how does this market look. GBP, JPY, OTC. I'm gonna be taking that on 3 minutes. What the prediction is gonna be, let's find out. It is gonna be a buy, a 3 minutes buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order for this trade. Prediction is that this is going to be volatility level high, success probability is said to be high as well. 2 minutes 52 seconds left for the timer. We're going to wait and see how this is going to turn out to be. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your AI trading board in action. So far giving us the catches in the market. Volatility high, success probability high. So let's assure this is going to be either a win or a loss. But so far so good today. Looking at our closed trade, we are already on a very good winning streak. We were able to record only 3 losses, I think 1, 2, and the other one has already disappeared downwards. So we had 3 losses today, but the winning record today is not bad at all. So we're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna turn out. Sellers are trying to drag us down. We're gonna hope this is gonna have a turnaround or something like what happening here, but then we just hold on and trust the process and see how this is gonna turn out. All right, so $20 left, 2 minutes left, sorry, on a $20 risk trade, 3 minutes trade, and then we have 1 minute 54 seconds left right now. We're gonna wait and see how this is gonna turn out to be, ladies and gentlemen. Holding on tight and see how this is gonna turn out. This is gonna be another win. I don't know, but let's see. 1 minute 40 seconds left. This was predicted to be a buy, as we can see, as intelligent as our artificial intelligence product can be. Sometimes we are going to admit that we record some losses like today, but the wins are inherently higher and more accurate than a human accuracy. So as we can see, this is potentially going to be another loss, but let's hold on and see how it's going to turn out first before we make any conclusion and move on to the next trade. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute left on the timer. Waiting and seeing how this is going to turn out to be. This was predicted to be a buy, but we can see that the sellers have taken over the market. All right, for those that are still wondering whether this is fake, this is not fake. This is not fake. If I'm gonna sell something fake, I will make sure that it's always on 100%. But we're gonna hold on and see, people. 40 seconds left on the timer. Okay, waiting and seeing how this is gonna turn out to be, ladies and gentlemen. 33 seconds left on the timer. GBPJPY, GBPJPY. You see, that's why I said I don't like currency pairs. My wins I'm mostly recording on cryptos and stocks, but we're gonna just hold on patiently and wait for this trade to run because it has to finish on our timer. We have 7 seconds left, and then here we go. So that was not a win for us. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade. Let's go back to our favorites. What is that gonna be? Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, OTC, $20 rigs. I'm gonna be taking the next trade on 1 minute. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board what the prediction is gonna be for Bitcoin OTC. As a cryptocurrency, people, Bitcoin OTC, where are you? There you go. Bitcoin OTC for 1 minute. The prediction is gonna be a buy, 1 minute buy, executing a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Volatility level predicted to be medium for this trade. Success probability is said to be high. So we're gonna wait and see how this is gonna turn out, people. Sellers are taking over this market. I can tell probably this sell is over. That's why this is predicting a buy. We're gonna have a pullback to give us the next win in the market. 36 seconds left on the timer, people, and waiting. Buyers are coming in, dragging up the market. AI powered trading board seems to be accurate about this, and this is looking good so far. 24 seconds left on the timer, and we are waiting, ladies and gentlemen. And is this gonna be the next win? We are about to find out. In this session today, we were able to take a good number of trades and record a good number of wins. 12 seconds left on the timer. It is becoming and there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is a win for us. Nicely done. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade. And what is it gonna be? We are about to find. I'm gonna go ahead and take Litecoin. 92% payout percentage. That's not bad. 1 minute trade. And what is this gonna be? We are about to find out, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Asking my trading board what the prediction is gonna be for this trade. It is a cryptocurrency, Litecoin OTC. Litecoin OTC 1 minute trade. What the position is gonna be, it is gonna be a sell, executing a sell order for this trade. This is almost a direct trade. As we can see, the sellers have taken over the market, and we're gonna hope this is gonna go down as it has started already. Prediction by our trading bot is that this is gonna be medium volatility level. Success probability is said to be high for this trade, so waiting and seeing how this is gonna turn out to be. All right, selling $20 on the line, 36 seconds left on the timer, so we're gonna wait and see how this is gonna play out to be, ladies and gentlemen. All right, 6 seconds left on waiting. How is this gonna turn out to be? Buyers are trying to come in now. Is this gonna be a win? We are about to find out. Okay, I'm waiting, ladies and gentlemen. Almost there. Well, that was a break even, a close one, not a loss, not a win. We're gonna take it and move on. All right, for the next trade, what are we gonna be hitting the market with? I'm gonna go ahead and hit the market with my next trade, which is gonna be Tesla OTC. Okay, it just dropped its payout percentage, but 87% is not bad. I'm gonna take that trade on 1 minute also. $20 on the line. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board what the position is gonna be for Tesla OTC. That's a stock. Tesla OTC, ladies and gentlemen. 1 minute trade, it is gonna be a buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order for this trade to 1 minute trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna turn out to be, ladies and gentlemen. Is this gonna be a win? We are going to be finding that out. Tesla OTC and waiting. The buyers are coming in, sellers are trying to put up a fight. Is this gonna be a win? We are about to find out. All right. This is predicted to be a buy by our trading bot, predicting this to be highly volatile. Success probability is said to be high as well. So we're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna turn out to be. Ladies and gentlemen, today has been a normal day, unlike yesterday. As we can see, we were able to record a good number of wins within the period of this session, and it is looking like this is also gonna be a good outcome for us. 15 seconds left on the timer, and we're gonna wait and see how this is gonna turn out to be. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 8 seconds left, 6 seconds left, and we are almost there, about to record our next win in the market. Is this gonna be a win? Yes, it is gonna be a win. That's another win for us, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade. One more trade, and we can call it a day for this session. I hope that is gonna be one more win for us. All right, Amazon OTC, $20 on the line, and we're gonna go ahead and hit the market on 1 minute waiting time. So let's go ahead and ask our trading board what the prediction is gonna be for the stock Amazon OTC. Amazon OTC 1 minute, the prediction is gonna be a buy. Executing a buy order. We're gonna wait and see how this is gonna play out, people. Once again, going on our history and our experience today. Prediction by our trading board, when to buy and when to sell. This is our history on our closed trades. We did exactly what our bot said, and we're able to trade this account from $20,163 to $20,450. Apparently, we are headed there right now. The buyers are coming into this market, taking over, and it is looking good for us, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna turn out to be, people. 20 seconds left on the timer. Waiting 18 seconds, and is this gonna be a win? We are almost there. We're gonna hold on tight and trust the process. Trusting the process to see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Two seconds, and there we go. That is another win for us, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we have come to a point when we can actually end this session, but I feel like let's add one more trade. Hopefully that is going to be another win. Alibaba OTC. Let's hope that is going to be another win for us, ladies and gentlemen. Risking $20 for this trade. If we haven't run this, if this doesn't go our way, that will bring us down to $400. If it goes our way, that's going to take us right to $450. All right. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board what the position is going to be for Alibaba OTC. Alibaba OTC is a stock. There you go. Alibaba OTC 1 minute trade. It is going to be a buy, executing a buy order for this trade. All right. Okay, prediction by our trading bot. This is said to be 60 seconds buy, volatility is said to be high, success probability is said to be high. And we are buying $20 trade, 46 seconds left on the timer. And we're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. And as we can see on the timer, ladies and gentlemen, we have 33 seconds left, 32 seconds left. Sellers are trying to give us a very good run for our money. The buyers are trying to hold us up. Is this gonna be a win? We are about to find out. All right, 20 seconds left on the timer, ladies and gentlemen. 8 seconds left on the timer. Buyers are really holding us on this trade, and as we can see, yes, 2 seconds. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it has been nothing short of very nice time in the market today. It has been a very nothing short of nice time in the market today. As you can see from the history, we were able to trade this account from the beginning of the session I mentioned, and you can see the results today. We had a very good run of wins. We got only 3 losses in the market. 1, 2, there is 1 loss at the beginning that is not showing. Okay, no, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. There is another win that is not gonna show because that's gone down. But then you can see in relation to our wins, that is gonna be a loss that we can see. Yes, is normal for our trading bot because it is having 85% winning percentage. Today is actually slightly above that. So let's go ahead and calculate the total amount of money we were able to make in this market. The balance right now is 20,453. At the beginning of this session, our account was reading 20,163.5. So okay, let's delete this decimal because I've not really, okay, let me do this again. So I am seeing my balance right now 20,453.7. So let's go ahead and subtract the initial balance at the start of this session, which is 20,163.5. So in total today we're able to make $290.2. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, that is how you use your trading bot to make money in the market, risking just 1% of your account. That's $20 per trade. And as you can see, we take our prediction from the bot and then we insert it and execute exactly what it tells us. You follow the rules, then you are sure of getting results using our trading bot. Remember always, in case you want to reach out to us, ladies and gentlemen, you can feel free to write us on our Telegram channel, VIP Telegram channel there. The link is there in the comment section of this channel, link of this live. The link is also in the comment section of all our videos in our channel. There you can write us up and then we'll reach out to you to get the artificial intelligence product, as the trading board for yourself and then the screener for yourself. Someone is writing in the chat. All right, okay, just feel free to write your questions. The session is almost over. Let me take this one question and then we can close up. So for an official to asking a question in the chat, can you write your question please? Hello, before we run up, or you can just write our Telegram channel. All right, look like for an official is not with us on the chat. You can just hit up the Telegram link there on the channel closing right now. You can write us up in the Telegram channel there. The link is there in the chat, or you can check in the description of all the videos on our channel. The link is there to join our VIP Telegram. You get access to our various services, VIP services. You get the trading board for yourselves, as well as you get notified whenever we go for live stream. You get to copy trades. You be in the first line of all notifications that is coming to our VIP clients. All right. So I'm gonna be rounding up now. It's your man Michael Armstrong. If there is anything that is left, a question, anything, directly to our Telegram, like I said. It has been a good time with you in the session today. See you next time, the same place, and wish you good luck in the market. Bye.